Grammarly helps you work more efficiently, which makes accomplishing your work goals easier. Get full sentence rewrite suggestions to help you say what you mean faster. Download at Grammarly.com. Try it today.
Folks, it's Mike Murphy. Today's quick tip is on YouTube. I'm going to show you where to find the custom URL or the web address of your YouTube channel. If you haven't already claimed a custom URL, this will be also the place that you can do so. So let me show you exactly where it is. If you're on the home page here of your YouTube channel, if you look up here in the address bar, you can see this number here. If you copied and paste this would bring people to your home page. But this long number here, this is actually your channel ID. What I'm going to show you today is where to find the custom URL. So what you want to do is go ahead and click on your profile picture in the upper right corner. You're looking for the gear icon, settings, okay? But if you look under your name here, you can see here, advanced. If you click on advanced, right here, this is your custom URL. Again, if you haven't chose one, it's going to tell you that you could claim your own custom URL. This long number that you saw on the front page here, that is your actual channel ID. So to find your custom URL, click on the profile picture in the upper right corner. Choose the gear icon for settings. Choose advanced under your name of your channel, and there you can copy and paste this. That is your quick tip. My name is Mike Murphy. Cheers.
Hello viewers, welcome to Airdrop. Today I'm going to show you how to subscribe a channel and copy your YouTube profile link. Let's start. At first, click here to search a channel. I'm clicking. I'm typing a channel. This is my official YouTube channel, Airdrop Alum. I'm going to subscribe here and click the bell icon. That's how I can subscribe a channel. Now I'm going to show you how to create a channel and copy your YouTube profile link. Click here on your email icon. I'm clicking here. Your channel. I don't have a channel in this email, so I'm going to create a channel. You can select your name from here and click create channel. This channel is creating. Okay, I back here. Then I'm again go to your channel option. Now the channel is created and showing my channel. This is Tawfiq official new channel. Okay, then click here the three dot icon and click here for share. Okay, I'm going to click here for share and copy link. I'm going to click copy link. The link is copied. I'm going to paste this link in my notepad. Okay, the link is working. That's how you can copy your YouTube profile link. Thanks for watching this video. Please give a thumbs up and subscribe this channel for more updates.
Welcome back, party people. My name is Daryl Wilson, and today I'll be showing you guys how to build your own online community website or social media website with WordPress step by step. Now, this video is going to be incredible, so let me show you all the website that we're going to make today in this video. I'll show you how to make a vibrant and beautiful community website with WordPress. With this website, you can create your own community for yoga, your church, gardening, or whatever it is you like to do that others like to do. On your community website, you can display a list of all of your registered members. You can also create groups or allow other users to create groups. You may also sell your products or let other users sell products on your community website. And you can also sell your own courses on your website. Your visitors can post in the activity feed, like, comment, and even upload images just like Facebook. Your users can add each other as friends and also send messages. You can allow or disable a lot of these features, and I'll cover more of this in the video. Plus, your community website integrates with the Elementor page builder, so you'll have access to hundreds of templates to make your website beautiful and professional. You can create great sales pages and landing pages for your community websites. And the best part is you can offer paid memberships on your website. You can offer free and paid memberships, or you can restrict the website to paid members only. And I'll walk you through on how to set all of this up today in this video. Also, there are large authority websites using the same platform that I'll show you how to make today in this video, like Founder Magazine. They have more than 3 million followers, and they monetize their community websites by selling online memberships. Next is the Hustle community. This community website has more than 50,000 members. The website makes money by affiliate commissions, paid advertisers, and they also sell their own courses on their websites. Lastly, the Drone Academy. This community monetizes their website by offering discounts, affiliate deals, and courses for users who want to learn more about flying drones. There are thousands of websites running their own communities and making a lot of money from their websites. So this tutorial is a little large, so I put timestamps in the description of this video. So if you got one section down, feel free to jump to any part of this video at any time. Also, if I'm going too fast or too slow, feel free to use that gear icon thing at the bottom right to speed up or slow down the video. And with that said, let's go ahead and get started and build your community website today with WordPress. Now there is a link in the description of this video. It'll take you to a page to purchase discounted and fast web hosting. And welcome to NameHero.com. Now NameHero.com, again, I've been recommending for years. They are one of the fastest and the most reliable web hosts out there. Now through my link exclusively, you guys will receive up to 73% off your web hosting. And that is the largest discount code that NameHero has to offer. Now I do want to talk about these pricing plans in conjunction with the theme that we're going to be using. Now normally in my other videos, I recommend the starter cloud or the plus cloud. However, for this specific theme that we're going to be using, they require an SSD drive and at least 2 gigs of RAM or more. So we have to purchase a plan based off of these specs because this theme requires a little bit more resources than other typical WordPress themes because, you know, we're doing a lot more with this website. So I recommend the Turbo Cloud because this actually offers NVMe storage, which is a lot faster than typical SSD. And we also have at least 3 gigs of RAM for our package. So just to make sure that your site's performing well and just to be on the safe side, I recommend going with the Turbo Cloud or even the Business Cloud if you want to go that route. So once you get to this page, go ahead and select your package. Again, I recommend at least the Turbo Cloud or the Business Cloud for this specific tutorial. So you'll go ahead and click on Order Now. All right, cool. So this is where you're going to enter in your new website. So for example, mynewamazingwebsite.com or mydogisamazing.com or whatever you want to put. I'll just put demo tutorial 123.com and click on search. And look at that, we get a free domain on top of that. So once you select your domain, you'll click on continue. Lastly, we have the review and checkout, and look at that. You just saved $125. You have a year of web hosting and ID protection for under $70. So you have a very good value with NameHero.com. Once you're on this page, you will scroll down. Next, we have the billing details. So you've seen this screen before. You'll put in your first name, your last name, your social security number, your bank account. I'm just kidding, guys. They don't want that information. It's a joke. You'll put in your billing address and any other information you see here. For the support pin, make sure you write this down. So if there's an issue or you want to know something about your accounts, they will want to know about your pin just to verify that it's you calling, and they want to make sure it's not just some random person over the internet trying to get your info. You'll create a password, which you probably use the same password for all your other websites, right? I'm just joking. I do that sometimes, but I should really stop that. We have the payment method, so you can pay with credit card, PayPal, Coinbase, or credit card, Stripe. Look at that. People are using crypto. In fact, crypto, methods, I think Bitcoin's almost at $20,000 right now. Coinbase. It's crazy, man. It's just going up. And then you can go ahead and fill all this information out. Once you fill everything out on this page, you will then click on the checkout button. Now, I will purchase an account, and I will meet you on the very next page. And congratulations on registering your domain. So this is your current client area. Here you can access your support, you can access billing, you can purchase more domains, or you can upgrade or purchase other web hosting packages if you want to do that. And NameHero has very good support. So at any time you have a problem with your website, under the support, you can open a ticket, or you can contact them anytime if you have issues with the websites. So next, let's install WordPress onto your new domain. Under the My Cloud, you'll go ahead and click on My Cloud. I like this new interface Name Hero introduced. They recently remade their whole websites. For those of you who have been with Name Hero for a while, you can tell they did a really good job at making their site look really nice. So I will click on the plus cloud. The next thing that we will do is we will access the cPanel. So on the left side under Actions, you will see Log into cPanel. Go ahead and click on Log into cPanel. All right, cool. So next, let's install WordPress. Let's scroll down. Just keep scrolling. Just keep scrolling. We're going to find WordPress installer, and we're going to install WordPress onto our domain. So under Software, you'll see WordPress Manager by Softaculous. Go ahead and click on that. Next, it's going to say install a new copy. So let's click on install. All right, so this is the software setup. So let's just change some quick settings while we install WordPress onto our domain. For the protocol, make sure you have HTTPS. That just makes sure that your website has a valid SSL, and that just lets people know that your website is secure. For the indirectory, make sure nothing is there. That just means yourwebsite.com. You know, that's it. We don't want it to be whatever that is, so just leave it like that. For the site name, you can give your website a name, and you can also give it a description. So this can be web agency. You guys can see I do this quite often, and I just put cool website agency or something like that. You can change all this later, so don't worry about it. For the admin username, make sure you put something that you know, because you will need this information to log into your website and change it. So I'll put Paddywhack. And then for my admin password, I'll put Paddywhack99. For the admin email, make sure you have access to this specific email, because let's say, for example, you forget your password. You will need to have access to this email to retrieve your password. And I'll scroll down. You can also select your language, but I just speak English, so I'll leave this as English, but you can select all of these languages like Spanish, Turkish, Arabic, and all those languages, and scroll down. And then we will click on the install button at the bottom of the screen. So now it's installing WordPress onto our domain. All right, WordPress has successfully been installed. On the administrative URL link, you can click on this link right here. And congratulations, you have now successfully installed WordPress, and your website is now live on the internet.
Hello viewers, welcome to Adropelum. Today I'm
Grammarly.
Is HelloFresh worth the price? Absolutely. In the beginning, I was doubtful too. Until I...
Hey folks, it's Mike Murphy. Today's quick tip is on YouTube. I'm going to show you where to find...
Hi, to find your YouTube channel URL, you can head over to your little icon here, click it, and then you find My Channel. If you open that in a new tab, like right click on it and select Open Link in New Tab, then you will get most of your YouTube channel URLs up here in the URL browser bar. I'm saying most of it because this is much longer than it really has to be. So you'll notice that at the end of this, it follows this pattern. https://youtube.com/channel, humongous long random string of characters and numbers, followed by a question mark, followed by something that we call a query parameter. Us coders do that. In this case, it's a key value pair, and that isn't really part of your YouTube channel URL. So feel free to trim that off. So the question mark and including everything that comes after the question mark, that can go. So delete that, and everything before the question mark, that is your actual YouTube channel URL. That's what you can share on social media, print onto business cards if you're so inclined, and so forth. Just to check that, hit return and see if it actually brings up your channel. If it does, that's fantastic. Be mindful though that if you leave out a character, then you may get up something like this. Well, actually, usually you get, well, this is a much nicer way of showing it. Yesterday, when I was looking at this, sometimes you get something like a server error, and that that's nothing good. So make sure you share all those characters after the youtube.com/channel, including all these things, and then anything including the question mark that can be trimmed off. Let me show you what that actually does here before we carry on. This is something for YouTube to be able to figure out what are you previewing the channel as. So in our case, we have two potential parameters that we can use here. A subscriber means you're watching your channel as somebody who's already subscribed to the channel. Notice that there's no subscribe button up here anymore, and that is certainly not what you want to share with people. The other option is you can replace this with public. And when you do that, you do actually see the preview of the subscribe button, but it does actually depend on the user and their own account, if they're actually logged in to YouTube, and if they are they subscribed to your channel, and so forth. So the easiest way is to just trim all this off, question mark and everything, and just leave all this, and that is your YouTube channel URL. Well, that's one way of figuring it out, because if you're at the front page of YouTube, youtube.com, this menu looks a little bit different than if you are in the Creator Studio. So should you be there in your own Creator Studio and you click your logo again, you'll find that the link to your channel is no longer there, and that's a little bit confusing. And luckily, YouTube have provided another way of accessing your channel, and that's up here, right underneath your name. It says View Channel, and if you use that and open that in a new tab, then you also get to your YouTube channel. Notice that if I examine this URL, it looks slightly different than the one that we've just seen. So this is the one I've opened from inside my Creator Studio, whereas this one is the one that we've opened via the menu when I was on the front page. So two very different things. Very interesting, but I'll explain to you later why that is. And yeah, there are two more ways to figure out what your YouTube channel URL is, and that's on the left hand side here under Channel. If you click that, you would kind of expect there to be a link anywhere, but of course it's not that obvious. Thank you, YouTube. Your skills of crafting a UI are second to none, shall we say, second to none. In fact, if you scroll down to the bottom of this menu, then you get this little box here where it says Custom URL. In my case, and on this channel, it's enabled. So if I were to click on that and open that in a new tab, that also gets me to my channel. But this box isn't always available. So in fact, I'll show you on another channel that I've created only a couple of
Is hello.